Right here we have some jalapeno peppers. They got a little bitty one growing. This is a watermelon. I've been pruning the mess out of this one. And it has some little flowers over there. And then we have this tomato. It's a girly. I got this one at Home Depot for only $1. That's why it's not doing too good. And it has this. I don't know. I think I'm going to take this out. And then right here we have tomatoes. I did get one little one and I took it out. And over here, right here we have bell peppers. And as you can see, I have some growing. And I have been pruning it. I gave it up. See that little bell pepper right there? And there's another bell pepper somewhere on there. And right there. I have 2 bell pepper on there. These are jalapeno, as you can see. Where is that one? I have one somewhere here. But I think, yeah, I had this little jalapeno right here. I don't like the way these were looking. I repotted them in those. And they dry out real quick. I have to water those twice a day. So I think I'm going to, because they need to be potted in something deeper, I think. And that one. So yeah, then over here, this is another girly tomato. They say these can get up to what did they say? 4 to 5 feet. But I got these two for $1, so that's probably why they look like that. I don't think this one's doing too good. And I got a tomato out for here, so I don't know about these 3. I only paid $1 for those, so I'm not too worried. But yeah, here got my watermelons getting some flower. I've been pruning them, so I think I'm going to stop pruning them and just let it grow. And yeah, that's my little garden. And I'm going to show, here go another little pepper that's growing right here. So yeah, I'm going to take you out to the front. Ooh, that's cricket. Yeah, I need to do something here desperately. Okay, we are in the front, and these are some flowers, the cactuses and stuff that I planted about a month ago. And I'm glad I did get mostly white, because the purple one and I have a pink one not doing too good. And this guy that we've been knowing for over 20 years, he gave me the cactuses, and he just passed away. It's so sad. But yeah, I think he just gave me these cactus about 6 weeks ago, and he just passed a couple of weeks ago. So I think, little did I know, he was giving me something to remember him by. But yeah, see how the white ones are doing great. And I have planted some seeds up in here, and yeah. And yeah, they say you're supposed to water the cactuses once a month, and my flowers every 4 days. So I'm going to water them again tonight. I just watered them yesterday. I don't know. But yeah, see how the pink ones are doing a little bit better. But the white ones are doing wonderful. Another cactus. I had put some seeds back there. They're not growing yet. And this, I got to look on the video to see what is this. But yeah, whatever it is. I think it's in green bean or cucumber. One of the two. It's doing real good. And you see the yellow one doing good, but the other yellow one not. Well, yeah, doing a little better. See, the white ones are doing wonderful. So I'm glad I did get more white ones. But yeah, that's my little garden. So yeah, the yellow one coming back. So yeah. So this channel will be mostly about my little garden and cleaning up my house. My house is a mess. Okay, today we will be doing laundry. I have started it, but I needed to finish. Yeah, I've been in this house over 20 years, and I really need to get it together. I really need to get it together. The mess I didn't clean up yet. I went live the other day.